Einstein is scared to take the ball. Einstein, come on, get that ball. You say hello to everyone. Say hello. Oh, hello. Yes, I know he's not supposed to do that, but it was good for the camera. Excuse me. Anyway, we're outside playing, and Daisy's got her ball, which she really, really likes, and if you try to take away from her, she can't get it away from her. So Einstein just stands and barks. Yeah, you tell her. You tell her. Give me that ball. Give me that ball. You tell her. You give me that ball. Daisy, you get that ball. Ooh. See, he sounds scary. He just doesn't ever do nothing. She's boss around here. She's giving it a little shake. Giving it a little shake. Ooh, oh, oh. I'm in the way. Yeah, Einstein, you tell her. You tell her about it. Hey. Oh, I'm in the shadow. Yeah, Daisy. This is what we call annoying the neighbors. And this is how they... Oh, Einstein's coming in for a move. He's coming in for a move. Einstein. Hey! Anyway, this is a parking game, I like to call it, I guess. And we're just sitting out drinking some beer. Actually, it looks like it was empty. And taking videos of our dogs barking at each other. So, anyway, I just thought you would find it interesting. There's my Einstein. Say, Einstein, you come with Mama? Say hello. Oh, it's a little dark out here. Back on the porch. He's Einstein, Einstein, I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. Woo, I'm gonna get you. That's my Einstein. Just get your Mama. So, he's big goofy boy. Big goofy boy. Oh, don't bite my spot. Say hello.